want to tell about my Instant Pot, what I right now cooking chicken on. And I want to tell I love this Instant Pot product. I don't talking about different brands. I don't know about different brands. I have Instant Pot, and I will tell Instant Pots it's great for family. If you don't have it or you're thinking about to buying, this is good investments for whole family. I can tell you it's almost 70% cut smell in your house, and it's all inside. It's keep right now. I don't smell anything, and it's chicken really like boiling and everything. Let me to show, maybe you will hear it. Boiling inside, and I don't smell anything. But when I start releasing pressure from a meat, I will start smell a little bit, but it's all overall it's not smell all house. I can tell you it's 60 to 70% it's got smell in the house. Second thing, it's convenient. It's you put it up and forget it, and it's let you remind it when it's ready, and you can come in and you're ready. Second way I can tell you about, it's great for eggs, to peeling them and boiling them. And another thing, great for vegetables. If you like your vegetables a little bit crispy, and again it's convenience for vegetables, you put it up and you're done almost immediately. Works. And it's best investment. What I like it about kitchen gadget, it's my favorite kitchen gadget. I have a few more, but this is my favorite, and I suggest for you, if you're still thinking purchase, you don't will be regretted. Another thing, they have buckets, but you can have in home goods sometimes this you can get these buckets. I will show you right now. Okay, I get this bucket for this. It's 6 forks. They was have bigger one. I bought this. This I'm using for eggs and for different stuff too, but they have it you see, they have like almost leg or kind of feet or something stand a little bit. It doesn't touching if you put steam water there, and it's perfect to, it doesn't have handles, anything else. It's perfect to put it in, and it will be ready. You doesn't need to have another basket to put it in. And I think I spent this, I think it's $3 for this. Maybe $3.50, something free, something I don't remember. It was a long time ago, and it was in Home Goods. You can find them a lot. Some have a handle attached. If you on the rush and you want that and have handle only, try to asking your husband to remove this handle, maybe, if you cannot wait until you find specific one. This it doesn't was handle at all, but it's really sausage I buy, and Tom Thumb, they're sugar free and have okay ingredients, and sometimes I craving, I put this if I want to steam, but normally I go in a grill. Sausage on a grill to run, I will put it here, and I maybe fry a little bit in a pan, some stuff. This is sausage I buy at Tom Thumb, and if you're looking a lot of ingredients, if you kind of see, I don't know, do you see it or not? It's really like ingredients only: beef, water, salt, sodium lactase, flavor, sodium dislikes, garlic, sodium nutrition. It's not sugar at all. And we freeze this. This is pack really so cheap. They taste really good. This is pack I think cost, if you have some card, it's normally cost like $3.50, $3.60. If it's not, it will be cost you $4. It's smoke, and it's wonderful, and it's beef. It's only beef. We try to avoid eating pork. I don't know, my family, but this, it's, if you want to go check, and Tom Thumb safe. I was worried about it. My dad was using like old style Instant Pots, and I was worried about, he was always was concerned if we don't come in closer or something like that, but this is showing it's really safe. And if it's something doesn't work, it doesn't done something right. It's not broken up, I can tell you. It happens sometimes, it's not closed or something else, but it's really something you did no right. But overall, it's never fail on me. It's never blow up anything. Normally I put it it's просто like kitchen towel on top of vent and release pressure. And like again, if you're carnivore, I don't think it's good investment. Again, invest on a grill. But if you anything different diet you're doing, this is a good investment. On carnivore, I will say this is good for eggs, but if you want to invest $100 for eggs, to boiling eggs, I don't know, maybe still is better something else. For boiling eggs, it's great. You put it eggs, you're done, and you put in a cold shower like water or something. But if you're doing this in a pan, you need it waiting for boiling water, you need it count minutes to take them out and everything. It's a little bit hassle. This is still easy, but I don't know. Again, this is for really good for carnivore and different type of diet, or normal lifestyle or American diet if you would like to. But everything else is, if you carnivore, again, go to buy a grill. I will say thumbs up, and I will get 5-10 stars to Instant Pot.